You are attending an orientation session for new residents at the University Housing Office. Listen to the housing director and repeat what she says. Repeat only once. Keys and access cards must be returned when you check out. Quiet hours are in effect every night from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Common areas must be left clean after use. Maintenance requests can be submitted through the online portal. Guests are permitted to stay for a maximum of 2 consecutive nights. The laundry room on the lower level is available 24 hours a day. Students who violate housing policies may face disciplinary action, including loss of residency.